All right, it's deep cleaning time for this bathroom, so it's that time and day, so let's get it cracking here. And I'm gonna go look and start with this faucet. If you look under my faucet, there's a lot of buildup up under it, a lot of calcium buildup, looks very horrible. So what I'm going to do here is make a solution for see how the water is pouring out, which means how it's all stopped up. So what I'm gonna do is get my ingredients ready to make my solution for all that buildup. So here we go. Get the water started, get this cleaned out and good. Now look at it, water runs much better, yay. Now on to the toilets. I always like to use borax and dishwashing liquid to clean that water ring around there, and that'll get rid of it. That works for me than any other harsh cleaner. So I don't play when it comes to the toilet, so I'm just getting another clean around the edges. Now if I flush it, I gotta check this, had a rust ring around there earlier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit the shower here, and I've got the drain ring cleaned out, and put that back where it belongs. Now I have to get in here and take my shower cleaner that I made. Here's the recipe. This is how I make it. Just take notes of it if you have to stop the video. This is a natural cleaner, no harsh chemicals. All right, now back to the video. All right, just spraying this down, the walls down, letting it sit for a couple of minutes. Then we'll rinse it off with a white water, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for joining and subscribe. Take care.